Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to continue the part 2 video of creating a virtual environment inside of virtual Visual Studio Python virtual environment. And in the last time I show you how to create, and then also show you how can we download the Python the pip packages. But in today's video I'm going to show you that progress and how can we use that environment and some other stuffs. And then without further ado, let's get started. I'm back with the code, and now I'm going to show you the performance of our Python environment. I created TensorFlow environment, and in the last video I did not show you the performance. It's because it takes me one day to fix it, and it's because my Visual Studio is messed up, and I just only figured out just before 2 or 1 hours ago, and it just very frustrated me. And but finally I just figured out, and I just delete all files that are related to the Visual Studio, and then when I reinstalled it, it worked. So now I'm going to show you how you can also download inside of this video. Before I do that, as you can see here, I can also use my GPU, the Mac GPU that are built in this Mac, and that's why I just change the old environment, and I show you. I also when I did that, I also show you how to create the environment. But as you can see here, it just only take 28 seconds to multiply this tensor for to multiply, and it just only takes 28 seconds, almost 29. And then as you can see here, I have one GPU that is in my Mac. I don't have a PC, but I have a Mac, so I have built an Mac Silicon GPU, so that makes it fast to train. If you are working with machine learning, you're going to make it fast to train your model when you train it. Okay, and that's what it looks like. And as you can see here, I can import Panda, and as you can see here, there is nothing error. If I got some unknown libraries, I'm going to say it doesn't you don't have this package. You are going to say that, as you can see here. So I already downloaded this, so I have no error. I just imported it here. But also you don't have to go to the terminal like here and just saying pip install, however, but you can also just come back here, and then by just writing this first, this symbol, the code will going to consider this line of code going to be a terminal. So if let me just install, let's say, Panda to install, I also say install, and if I just run it, as you can see here, I will going to consider it like a terminal, and I already have it, so I'm not going to have I don't have to download it. I can upgrade my pip install. I can just copy it and paste it here. You can just use this one instead of the terminal, because it's just simple and this makes you faster to work with. And also in the next video I will going to show you how the numpys work. So for that reason I did not have a numpy, I think so I will going to download numpy. So install to download any package from pip. You can say pip install, and then whatever library you want to download. I think I spell it correctly. Yep, I already have it. So if I just import it, yep, so I already have it. That's why I also want to install, if you know it, matplotlib. This is okay. Mod, this is how it goes, whatever, but I think I spelled it wrongly again, but that's how you can install, and this is the performance looks like if you're using if you create a virtual environment. And if you're wondering this file, this is the file that I create when I explain Jupyter Notebook, how to use inside of Visual Studio, and then also pandas library explanation videos. And I'll see you guys in the numpy explanation video. See you there. Goodbye.